Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Empower Personal Dashboard, fast access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Empower Personal Dashboard. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, proceed to the password field. Carefully type in your password. Make sure there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. If you prefer to stay signed in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login information. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your personal dashboard. In case of an error, recheck your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you can now access all features of the Empower Personal Dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.